Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Civic oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 4 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic motor oil and a fresh oil filter ready. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands for stability. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, usually a 17mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly under it to collect the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the old oil flow out completely. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing your engine for fresh lubrication. Be patient and let it drain thoroughly. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and oil. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an extra quarter turn with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it firmly. Finally, add about 7 quarts of new 0W20 motor oil through the fill cap. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a minute or two. This allows the oil to circulate. Carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Ensure it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.